coming in now where side of the girdle is, away from the point. The point of the blood burr will be aiming towards where I made the round burr indentation in the claw. Fantastic. I look at it with a loupe, see where the spacing is. What we're going to do is very carefully now get your pointed pair of pliers. I'm only going to bring in the claws to a vertical position. 1, 2. In other words, I'm supporting it with this claw and I'm pulling it in with the active pair of pliers, but making sure that the claw or prong does not make contact with the stone. The round burr will have that point of the stone floating. What am I going to do? I'm not going to do it this way, but I'm going to bring in the tip of the claw, just a little tad, making sure that the stone doesn't go crooked on me. That stone's tight.